Having a clear vision is the first step to turning it into reality. You see, most people have amazing ideas, but they never take the time to actually set specific, achievable goals. And that's where the magic happens, when you take that vision and break it down into actionable steps. So what holds people back from achieving their dreams? I think it's because they're crippled by fear. Fear of failure, fear of what others might think, fear of the unknown. We've all been there, stuck in that comfort zone, too scared to take the leap. Or maybe you're someone who's just lacking motivation, feeling like you're stuck in a rut and you don't know how to get out of it. Maybe your vision is just too vague and you don't know where to start. Or perhaps you're someone who's tried and tried, but you just can't seem to catch a break. You've set goals, you've made plans, but somehow it just doesn't work out. And that's when self-doubt starts to creep in, and you start to wonder if you're just not cut out for this whole achieving your dreams thing. I mean, who hasn't been there, right? We've all faced setbacks, we've all felt like giving up. But here's the thing, the people who succeed are the ones who keep pushing forward, even when it gets tough. They're the ones who learn from their mistakes, who pick themselves up, dust themselves off, and keep going. And that's where mindset comes in. It's all about believing in yourself, believing that you're capable of achieving your vision no matter what. So, how do you overcome these challenges? Well, one of the most powerful techniques I've found is visualization. I mean, have you ever closed your eyes and just imagined yourself achieving your goal? It's amazing how it can shift your mindset, how it can give you that motivation and drive to keep pushing forward. Another thing that's helped me is setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's amazing how clear it makes everything, how it breaks it down into manageable steps. And having a support system is crucial. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who will push you to be your best self. One of my favorite success stories is that of a friend who went from being a dreamer to building that dream into a six-figure business from nothing. They had a clear vision, they set specific goals, and they took massive action. They didn't let fear hold them back, and they didn't give up when things got tough. They kept pushing forward, and look what they achieved. I also have a personal story that I'd like to share with you. I used to be terrified of public speaking. I mean, I'd rather die than speak in front of a crowd. But I had a vision of becoming a successful manager, and I knew I had to overcome that fear. So I started small, I started taking action, and I started believing in myself. And look where I am today before ataxia. I've spoken in front of hundreds of people, and it's an incredible feeling. So let's recap. Turning your vision into reality takes mindset, it takes drive, and it takes action. It takes believing in yourself even when others don't. It takes pushing through fear, through doubt, and through obstacles. But most importantly, it takes taking that first step, and then the next, and the next.